The Yukon doesn't care about your dreams. It only cares about your endurance. I've seen 1,000 men freeze to death holding a map to a gold mine they never reached. They were miners. They chased the shiny object. They worked until their hearts stopped. But look over there, past the tree line. That glow? That's the man who built the automated tramway. He's sitting by a fire, drinking coffee, while his machine does the work of 100 men. Today, I'm going to show you how to build that machine in the AI gold rush. We're moving past the mining and into the automation stack. The 1890s gold rush killed men because they were in a hurry. They dug with their fingernails. In the AI world, digging is manual labor. It's writing every email, posting every tweet, and chasing every lead by hand. That is a death sentence. The shovel seller doesn't dig. He builds the stack. A stack is a series of AI tools that talk to each other. It's a digital assembly line that replaces a $5,000 a month employee for the price of a bag of flour. The first tool in your stack is the digital shovel. In the Klondike, you needed a shovel that wouldn't snap in the permafrost. In AI, you need a tool that captures data without you lifting a finger. It sits on the riverbank of the internet, 24 hours a day. Sifting through the silt to find the color, the high-value leads that actually have money to spend. While the miners are sleeping, your shovel is digging. Once you have the dirt, you need to wash it. That's the digital sluice. This is where we plug in a large language model, your AI brain. It takes the raw data from the shovel and filters out the rocks. It categorizes the leads, summarizes their needs, and writes a personalized outreach strategy for every single one. It does in 3 seconds what used to take a team of interns 3 weeks. The sluice doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for a raise. It just finds the gold. The final piece is the Steamship. This is your automated delivery system. Once the gold is found and cleaned, the Steamship carries it to the market. This is an automation tool like Zapier or Make. It takes the AI-generated message and sends it through email, Slack, or your CRM. It schedules the meetings. It follows up. It closes the loop. You aren't the captain standing on the deck. You're the owner of the shipping line, watching the horizon from the shore. When you build this 3-tool stack, you aren't just using AI. You are building digital real estate. You are creating a system that has value regardless of which AI model is the flavor of the week. You are building on solid ground while the miners are sinking in the mud of the Chilkoot Pass. The flickering candle in a canvas tent is a reminder of how fragile a manual business is. One bad algorithm update, and you're out in the cold. But the automation stack is your fortress. The Yukon is a graveyard of miners, but it's the foundation of the shovel-selling dynasties. The choice is yours. Will you keep digging with your hands? Or will you start building the machine?